A long time ago, there lived a charming heron on the banks of a quiet lake. Now the heron had grown old and was unable to catch fish. The heron said, "Son, I am old now, and I have heard that man has filled up this lake and has come home here. Then this is a lake for fishing. It will catch fish." All the creatures got scared and caught the fish, thinking that now we will all die. The crab asked the heron, what did he do now? The heron said, "There is a deep and big lake some distance away from this lake. If you trust the lake, then I will catch fish there. Let's go there one by one." The crab asked the heron. The heron trusted the devotee. Every day he picked up one fish in his beak and flew away. But the second time he was not taking them to the lake. He hid behind a stone on the way and ate them. Many days he was killed. One day it was the crab's turn. The heron took him away as well and flew away. On the way, when the crab looked down, he found a lot of fish bones there. It did not take him long to catch the heron and finish him off. Deer then somehow came back to the lake. Tell your truth publicly. One should not have blind trust on anyone. Like the shareholding of Bagula, begot, and directly harm the people. Friends, if you liked it, then subscribe more.